Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the assets that prove your agency works. Pick 3-5 high-impact case studies that show measurable results. Once done, extract the core metrics: revenue, conversion rate, leads, and pair them with clean visuals so viewers instantly see value. Make sure to get client permission and brief quotes. These build trust. Finally, write one-line outcomes for each case, because when you lead with results, you shorten the buyer's decision path and make the rest of the portfolio easier to build. Now you create focused case study pages using a consistent template: challenge, strategic approach, and measurable results. Explain why you chose each tactic so prospects understand your thinking. Describe tools, timelines, and team roles to show professionalism. Once complete, add scannable visuals, before/after charts, and a short testimonial to make proof digestible. Make sure each page ends with a single clear CTA. This converts curiosity into conversations and lets you track which stories. Finish by polishing and launching. Compress images, verify mobile UX, and craft headlines that highlight outcomes. Then integrate analytics and a /B test 2 CTAs so you can measure what drives contact requests. Once launched, promote the portfolio via targeted emails and social posts to the right decision makers. If traction is low, audit messaging first, make metrics more prominent, tweak headlines, and reassess traffic sources. Often small changes to clarity or distribution unlock significant engagement and new leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.